Insignia refrigerator model NS-RTM14WH5 error codes. Are you looking for a fridge large enough to store your family's groceries but small enough to fit in your space? The Insignia NS-RTM14WH5 14.2 cu. Fort Top Freezer Refrigerator with Energy Star certification is perfect for you. The bottom refrigerator features 3 glass shelves, a crisper drawer and 2 deep door trays to store fruits and vegetables, various drinks, condiments, and other groceries. The top freezer portion includes 2 shelves and 2 more door trays to organize frozen meals and treats while remaining frost-free. Reversible doors and recessed handles provide added versatility when placing your new Insignia fridge in your home. Error codes. Code: LED 1 and LED 2 lit. Problem: refrigerator temperature sensor circuit. Code: LED 1 and LED 3 lit. Problem: freezer defrost sensor. Code: LED 1 and LED 4 lit. Problem: ambient temperature sensor.